In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the Rye ringmaster reigning over the Gold Overlord EA V1.0 MT4 on my Vantage Markets account for months. And zounds, it's overruled my realm with plus 197.05% gains with the panache of a parodic potentate. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that lords over gold like a tyrant. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this golden overlord of gains. The zip folder for the Gold Overlord EA V1.0 MT4 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Gold Overlord EA V1.0 MT, 42 XAUUSDs. M1 Proscenium invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse my effects book as one might a scandal sheet, and there the Gold Overlord EA V1.0 MT4 parades its, plus 197.05%. Absolute gain escapade on Vantage Markets, ballooning deposits into $7,201.58 US dollars balance with $10,741.58 US dollars profit after withdrawals. Daily 0.60% chuckles, monthly 19.76% guffaws, equity curve of bemused descent lampooning manual traders flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at 98%, meaning 2,041 of 2,046 trades winners, longs and shorts nearly perfect, way above the 60% benchmark for gold bots that chase wild swings. Average win? A juicy 1,044,436 pips per USC 10.74 per pop, while losses are reined in at minimal thanks to the Gold Overlord EAV 1.0 MT4's built-in dedicated XAUUSD architecture and controlled risk that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net pips? 1,044,436. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile XAUUSD moves without overtrading. Drawdown's only 23.25% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked. Risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor of high value more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're pulling in massive back. Sharp Ratio's positive shows it's delivering smooth, efficient returns without wild swings, and the Z-score against clustering proves it's got that random walk vibe pros love. Commissions? Low on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of high per trade covers it easy. Average hold time reasonable for M1 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving and giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 197% plus yearly without the heart attacks, this Gold Overlord EA V1.0 MT4 is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Gold Overlord EA V1.0 MT4 on MT4 with ticks from September 25 data, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000.